AMSOIL Break-In Oil is a specialized SAE30 oil designed to facilitate rapid and effective piston ring seating in newly assembled or rebuilt high-performance and racing engines. This oil is uniquely formulated without friction modifiers, prioritizing the establishment of proper ring sealing during the critical break-in period. The formulation of AMSOIL Break-In Oil excludes friction modifiers, ensuring an optimal environment for piston ring seating without compromising the process with additional lubrication enhancements. Additionally, this oil contains zinc and phosphorus anti-wear additives that play a crucial role in safeguarding vital engine components during the initial break-in phase. The inclusion of zinc and phosphorus anti-wear additives provides essential protection for cam lobes, lifters, and rockers at a time when wear rates are at their peak. Furthermore, the heightened film strength of AMSOIL Break-In Oil serves to shield rod and main bearings from potential damage, contributing to the overall longevity and reliability of high-performance engines. AMSOIL Break-In Oil offers a tailored solution for new and rebuilt high-performance engines by prioritizing piston ring seating while providing essential protection to critical engine components during the break-in period. This specialized formulation underscores its suitability for demanding applications within racing and high-performance automotive environments. AMSOIL Break-In Oil is designed to increase compression, horsepower, and torque for maximum engine performance. Click the link in the description below to learn more and request a free AMSOIL catalog.